It's sprinkling. Water from the heavens. Quite a mind-boggling if you think about it. Yeah, don't think about it too much or you're gonna... It's gonna come back on you. Good Lord. Yeah, you don't want it to start making sense. If it starts making sense, you're... Can you hear that? I don't think you can see that. It's starting to rain more and more. Damn. Well, it'll get wet out here. Can't have that, right? Yeah, it's raining out there. We have to get out of the rain. Oh. It's slacking off a little. That's beautiful. Look at it out there. Millions and billions of little raindrops. Just in this one little area. You kind of see it falling over there. I don't know whether you see that or not. I don't think it's going to rain long.